Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2014 Avalon Hybrid. The Toyota Avalon Hybrid has a dynamic exterior look coupled with a premium interior. Of course, the Avalon Hybrid also provides you with the efficiency that you're hoping for when purchasing a hybrid vehicle. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.